I spilled a chunk of ice and he was drinking it up. A little drink of water. That's Yorber and that's Yeime. Trying to charge my phone, but the phone got too hot. It said it wouldn't charge because it was too hot. Clouds. Yo. Yeah, I did stop by McDonald's in LaPine last night. Some weird stuff going on down there. A lot of commotion around the McDonald's gas station. LaPine only has a population, it said, of 1,600, but it seemed like to get here I was driving through a huge residential sprawl. Those guys are golden-mantled ground squirrels. I'll be damned. Some lady playing a banjo, chilling with a poodle back there. It's definitely a laid-back sort of vibe. We're actually under a level 1 evacuation. Fire burning northeast of Sun River. It's called the Bachelor Complex Fire. I guess sometimes the wind blows the nasty air down here. Right now it's perfect.